I spend most of my time moving my body, whether that is on the yoga mat, out for a run, or rolling around on the jiu-jitsu mats. But beyond fitness, I am obsessed with getting polished, high-performing content out into the world without losing my mind in a video editor. The clips you are probably imagining right now, the snappy cuts, the dynamic captions, and those perfect B-roll pops, are exactly what I want to produce in minutes. That specific desire for speed and efficiency is exactly where a tool like Vizard steps in to change the game. I have experimented with a ton of different AI tools lately, from automated image overlays to various helper apps, and I realized most of them are fragmented. Some platforms are brilliant at generating those flashy images for your socials, while others focus purely on captions or basic timeline cleanup. What I really needed was an all-in-one ecosystem that could take my raw footage, identify the best moments, and actually get them live on a schedule. Essentially, I wanted a partner that lets me focus on the creative vision rather than babysitting the upload process, and that is what Vizard delivers. Let me walk you through how incredibly simple this entire workflow actually is when you start a new project. You simply drop your long-form video file into Vizard, and instantly you get a crisp preview right on your screen. You see the clip and the audio waveform clearly, while the AI simultaneously generates a full script and highlights potential viral moments on the left sidebar. Vizard isn't just chopping your video randomly, it is analyzing engagement signals to find the gold that will actually perform well for your audience. This means you can skip the tedious hours of scrubbing through hour-long footage and jump straight to the best parts of your conversation. If you are like me and love seeing automation in action, the one-button auto-edit feature is an absolute lifesaver. You hit that button, and suddenly you have a stack of ready-to-post clips, complete with captions, correct aspect ratios, and smart hooks. It is honestly absurdly fast, so I usually hit go, grab a fresh cup of coffee, and come back to a pile of ready-to-review drafts. The generated captions are already there, and you can easily move them, change the style, or tweak the timing if you need that extra bit of perfection. If the transcript missed a niche slang word or a person's name, you can just jump in and edit the text directly without any friction. It is not trying to replace your unique voice or creative style. It is simply trying to buy you back your precious time. I also really appreciate how the platform handles audio, automatically removing awkward pauses and tightening up those long, uncomfortable silences. It scrubs out the ums and ahs that kill your momentum while keeping the natural cadence of how you actually speak. If you prefer to be hands-on, Vizard is more than happy to let you manually extend or shorten any clip to get that hook just right. That specific balance between automation and total control is why the tool feels like it truly understands what creators are dealing with. And this is where Vizard really pulls ahead of the pack. The built-in automated scheduling feature. I used to waste so much time manually queuing content across 5 different platforms, or wrestling with scheduling apps that didn't understand short-form video. With Vizard, you just set your preferred posting cadence, daily, every other day, or twice a week, and the AI handles the rest. You can always override the AI's choices, rearrange the order, or lock specific clips to certain dates, but the default pipeline just works. Since we are all juggling TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels, having that central content calendar is a total game changer. It is essentially one dashboard where you can see exactly what is scheduled to go live across every single one of your channels. If you need to tweak a caption for a specific platform or swap a thumbnail, you can do it all right there without leaving the browser. The calendar even lets you batch edit metadata, so if you want to add a trending hashtag to every post for the week, it takes one click. I have to be honest, other tools have some cool niche features, like AI image generators that create wild overlays for your clips. But those tools often forced me to do the heavy lifting of exporting and manually scheduling everything, which completely broke my workflow. Vizard gives you that rapid auto-editing speed, but combines it with the full publishing workflow that actually turns an idea into a posted clip, If you really want to get nitty-gritty, you can manually refine every single second of what the AI generates for you. You can swap the background footage, upload your own images, or select a completely different frame to ensure the clip looks exactly how you want. The AI is there to be your helper, not your dictator, which gives you the freedom to maintain your personal style. Another huge advantage is how Vizard helps you scale your output by turning a backlog of long interviews and podcasts into dozens of short clips. For creators who are already juggling product work and brand deals, having that consistent, automated presence is absolutely vital. It completely removes the bottleneck of editing time, so you don't necessarily need to hire a full-time editor just to keep your channel alive. Comparing it to other products, sure, some niche apps do one single feature slightly better, but Vizard covers 90% of what actually matters. It nails the combination of editing, content calendar management, and distribution, which is where most creators actually lose their momentum. A couple of pro tips. Definitely double-check the AI-generated captions for slang or brand names, as those can sometimes be tricky. Also, experiment with your posting frequency because finding that perfect sweet spot between consistency and quality is key to your growth. Finally, keep a folder of your own branded B-roll and custom thumbnails so you can easily pull them into your Vizard workflow. I want to be clear. If you need hyper-specific photorealistic face swaps, Vizard isn't your primary tool for that kind of deep AI art. But for turning lectures, interviews, and long-form content into snackable, high-quality clips that are ready to publish, it is the best tool I have found. The most freeing part of this entire process is finally being able to focus on content strategy instead of getting stuck in the editing minutiae. Once I automated my weekly content, I could finally experiment with new hooks and test what topics actually resonated with my audience. So, if you regularly shoot long videos and dread the time-consuming post-production pipeline, you really should give Vizard a fair shot. Upload one of your existing interviews, let the AI suggest the best moments, and just watch how quickly your content calendar starts filling up. It honestly makes the whole repurposing process feel like so much less of a chore, giving you that steady stream of content without the headache. I dropped a link in the description for a free trial because the fastest way to understand the value is to see it work on your own footage. Don't overthink it, just throw in a 30-minute recording, hit that auto-edit button, and see the kind of clips you can pull out. Vizard turns that tedious mountain of editing into a streamlined workflow that puts control back in your hands as a creator. Give it a go, and if you try it, definitely come back and tell me which clips ended up performing the best for your channel. That is the breakdown, so get out there, start creating, and enjoy having your time back while your content keeps growing.